I'm gonna tell a story for my little brother about him. And I'm gonna show his new techniques because he learned a lot.
Sino ng trip sa'yo dyan?
His technique is saying mama or a little bit and she keeps saying, and he is very makulit. And also he is grabbing my hair and my mom's hair and my tita's hair.
Oy. Oy. Hello. Ano? Sige, kaya mo yan. Hello. Ayun. Wala. Bigat ng katawan mo, no?
Binalikta.
Wala, inigda. Hindi kaya.
Ang bata, walang balak matulog. Walang balak matulog yung batang yan. Dapa ka na, asas man daw ang bata ay. Dapa na. Ay. Oh. Ano yan, no? Ano yan, ah? Ano yan, ah? Yan gusto mo? Tumatai yan, ah? Ah? Tumatai ang bebeng yan? Ang batang tumatai.
So my brother just crawl, but not really crawling. And then she went back to be like that. It was so funny. Right, Mama?
Yan. Suntok face, suntok face. Suntok face, suntok face. Ano, manununtok ka na naman?
And his new technique is tan-tararan, nguso, nguso.
Kita mo nguso, ocho, nguso. Dali ang nguso, ocho, mundo, nguso. Nguso. Pakita nga nguso, bebe. Uputsa. Si nguso. Grabe na nguso yan. Pakita nguso, nguso, ocho. Ocho. Pakita nguso, oputsa. Grabe nga nguso yan. Ocho. Pakita nguso ba? Oh, talent po yan, Benot. Dokto. Pakita nguso, nguso, nguso. Ocho. Ocho man da to nguso nga.
And his new technique is when we're eating, he always drool because he's hungry.
Gusto
Maybe,
niya mag-join?
yeah.
Ingay mo, be.
Maingay siya pag kumakain. Ano na?
Ingay niya?
Ano problema ng tata na yun, be? Ha? Mam. Oy. Tamay ka?
Bodong. Uy!
play with him. I talk to him. I carry him. I carry him.
Tapos?
But when I carry him, he's very, very crazy. He always do like this.
Nakikinig siya.
Packers. Cozy, cozy, cozy. We like it. Wow, pagdating sa pag nilapag ka ni mama, iyak ka ng iyak. Pagdating dito, tawa ng tawa. Ah, di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Tapos nga, ngaw, 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 ngaw.
Okay.
Ngaw, ngaw.
Sino yan?
And his new technique is when he is 2 months or 3 months, he know how to crawl but not really crawling. It's like ano English ng dapa?
Dapa?
Ah.
Ano bang dapa? Ewan ko anong dapa eh.
Yeah, that's his new technique in 2 months or 3 months. Because I thought my little brother will is gonna dapa in 4 months like me, but he is very a legendary baby.
Why?
Because he know how to dapa in 2 months, right? You know what? He looks like me. He looks like me because he has big eyes. Very curly hair, but he is not like me, like having an attitude while drinking some milk. Because I was very calm, but my baby brother is crazy because he's a boy.
Sarap na sarap. Oh, uy, nakukuan. Parang nasasangid.
Because he always do like this. Why you always crying? Are you lazy? You want to sleep or you want to eat? You don't want to eat. And also there's a funny thing about my little brother. Papa, there's a funny thing about my brother. When my mom is taking him outside, he is always tired. But when he is home, Papa, when he is home, his eyes are so big, like he doesn't want to sleep.
Meron ba yun?
Yeah.
Attitude pa naman.
Gagahapon when mama yesterday when my mom go to my school with my little brother and we're at the e-bike, he is so tired like this. But when we're here at home, his eyes is like this.
Laki mata?
Yes. Bye-bye!
Bunay!
Sundo si Bebe, ha? Ha, Bebe Kai? Hi, Ate Kylie. Sundo.
Ayan, naglalaro pa ako eh. See me in my school.
Gumawa ka.